Hey team, sales is a profession. It's not a trait. And as such, it's not enough to do your best. You need to know what to do and then do your best. We still love that quote from Edward Deming that says, hey, we have to treat this like a profession. That's why we're so excited to have one of Harvard's top minds on selling, Frank Cespedes, join us on June 3rd for our webinar. And we're going to be reviewing Frank's latest book, Sales Management That Works. He's a global thought leader in this space, as is Harvard. And we can't wait to pick Frank's brain to really understand why this book now. Frank has released 7 books. One of our favorites over here is Aligning Strategy and Sales. But this one became our new favorite, as Frank's going to talk about many of the challenges we're facing as CEOs or sales leaders today, and what we need to think about to elevate the performance of our sales organizations. Come and join us. Spend the hour with Frank, and you'll be extremely happy you did.